With so many volunteers using the Cheddar Up platform, the need to transfer a Cheddar Up account from one volunteer to another is not uncommon. You can easily pass an account on to the next owner using our Transfer Account feature. There are a few important things to check to ensure the transfer process will go smoothly. Your account must be set up as an organization. If you have an individual account, you can't transfer it. You can tell you have an organization account if you can see the organization details underneath your personal details. Check to be sure everything is in order. You must withdraw all collected funds prior to transferring your account, and your balance must be at zero. Two-factor authentication must be reset when initiating the account transfer. This means that you will need to have access to the current mobile phone used for two-factor authentication on your account. You can find the mobile number associated with your account by going to My Account, clicking on the profile, and down to Security. When you transfer an account, your current organizational details, the legal organization name, organization address, and organization EIN, will remain intact, but your personal details will be removed from the account, thus setting it up for the new owner. Here are the steps to transfer account ownership to a new person. From My Account, Profile, go to Account Details. Click on the blue Transfer Account button. If you do not see this button, you likely have an individual account. If the button is grayed out or inactive, your account has not yet been verified, and you can still make adjustments to it without needing to do an account transfer. Follow the prompts to reset your two-factor authentication. Enter the name and email address of the new account holder. Once this is complete, the new account owner can log into the account and enter their personal details as the new account owner. If the new account owner would like to change either the email address or password on the account, they will be able to do this after they enter their personal details. These are all the steps for transferring ownership on an organization account. Be sure to check out our Knowledge Center for more information related to account transfers.